guys, we're out here in Russell's Truck Stop in New Mexico. What are you getting away from me for? What are you getting away from me for?
Camera, dude.
Anyway, we're gonna go in here to the I got a car museum here, so we're gonna go check that out and see what it's all about. You want to grab that? And we'll get a bunch of pictures here, and then see if we can't take our drone up later and see what it looks like from the sky. So let's go see what this is about. There's the Breaking Bad RV. We are here in Russell's. And we're going to kind of take a look around here, see what they got. So they actually got a nice little chapel here inside, so you can come and have a little bit of meditation area, I guess. Which is kind of cool. Nice good looking stained glass window there. But yeah, store's pretty much got everything. Full convenience store. The gift shop, sundries. Got a Subway over there. They got a Route 66 diner because we are on Highway Route 66. But the thing that makes this one stand out as a place of interest to want to come stop, of course, right here is the Russell's Free Car Museum. We're going to go check a look and see what they got over there. So let's go see what we got over there. A 1927 Model T. Oh, you're just making a little video for our YouTube channel. We're getting ready to go. We're heading out. Got a load to deliver in Albuquerque, and I told the son, I said, I got this place for you. He loves classic cars, so let's stop here. All right, so we're gonna go check out the museum and see what we got in here. That's an old machine right there, huh? Wow. Look how pretty this entryway is here. All the wood. Pretty cool. All the memorabilia. A lot of stuff for Dale Earnhardt. This is his corner. Good, how are you? Mind if I get a shot here real quick? This is the entryway. That is a cool piece there. Was that actually made for like a bar, or is it made for... Oh, okay. Oh, really? Really? That is too cool, though. Too cool. All right. Well, let's go see what we got. I'll do video first. I'll go back to grab some store stuff.
1.5 V8 engine, 210 horsepower. By today's standards, that's nothing, is it? There you go, an old fuel wagon. This hit the streets when I was a kid. Wow. Studebaker fuel tanker, 2 mule power. That's pretty cool. There's an 80 big boy. $30,000 if anybody wants to buy. There's the phone number. What is this exactly? Mercury. Big M. The old man in the toilet there. Here's your pickup, Austin. 55 Chevy. 72 Chevy, yeah. Pretty sharp, huh? You like that one? Yeah, that's pretty cool. Yes, you're good. How about this Chevy? There you go, I like that one. 1950, 3100. Ooh, an 81 El Camino. Look at that. Huh? The El Camino? Yeah. 56 Sunliner convertible. That's pretty nice. Ah, this one, look at the paint job on this one. That's a good looking red. Look at the pinstriping on that one. Yeah. Pretty sharp. Got what? Yeah, the pinstriping is nice. It's a beautiful car. Volkswagen Carmen Ghia. My sister had one of these. Mustang. 65 convertible 6-cylinder. Very nice. This one don't look like an old one, does it? Shelby Cobra. 2007. Supercharged. What we got here? Corvette with a C8 or Corvette Z06, 2002. There's Elvis in the window. Alright. Yeah, get that bacon, egg, and cheese wrap with that fresh mozzarella. That's good. Yeah. And if I can just get a little bit of spinach. Perfect. A little bit of red onion. Yeah, that's gonna have a little bit more of the onion. That'll work. A little jalapeno, kind of light on the jalapenos. Yeah, that'll work. And just go with a little bit of pickle. And then I'll take some of the garlic aioli sauce and some salt and pepper. So this place also has what's called the Russell's Cafe here on Route 66. They do have a full sit-down restaurant, full service. It's actually pretty decent. We've eaten here a few times, but pretty decent here. Got a little area here where you can get some slush puppies or some little blended chill shakes and smoothie machine. Popcorn pizza. And mix up the flavors there with the sodas and all the shots. Ooh, just some big wind chimes over here. You got clothing and apparel. Got some nice Western wear hats. Gotta have a Western hat in New Mexico. Pretty decent one there. I like that one. Highway. What all we got over here? We got all sorts of hats, Indian stuff. So yeah, pretty much anything you want for tourists and gifts and food and museum, snacks. I got some good healthy stuff here. So all that's good stuff too. So a little bit of everything. Oh, look at this. We even got ice cream. Nice dipped ice cream. Friendly staff behind the counter. Say hi, staff. So that's Russell's. I'll put the location, description, and everything else in the description below. And next time y'all are out here, y'all need to stop. Cool place to stop. Alright, so let's head on back out to the truck. Take a little quick walk around over here. They got a dog area as well, so if y'all are traveling with your dogs, I think over here we got a little dog walk area. Not where he's walking his dog actually, but past that where that tree is an actual fenced in dog walk area. So propane, if you need propane, they got it here for you too. If you guys have got an RV and need propane, little place to sit and relax. A lot of truck parking, truck fuel. They even got a cat scale, so if you need a cat scale, you got that. They got handicap parking for trucks. And pretty much everything else you need. So let's go ahead and get a little fly over here and kind of see what we can see. Here's the front. And over here we got all the truck parking. You got dirt parking across the parking lot. And then right down here at the entrance of this little square field here, this is the actual dog park. So that's actually AstroTurf that they got there. So it's always nice there for the pets. So got some handicap parking at the truck parking. Of course, plenty handicapped in the car parking area as well. So let's just take a nice little cruise and see what it looks like.
is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I...
So you got all of that, everything that you could need. So that's about it, guys. We're going to go ahead and wrap this one up and eat our sandwiches and head on down the road. So that's it from the Russell's Museum. So we're finishing up our delivery here in Albuquerque, and my son and my family and I were all big fans of the Breaking Bad series. So Los Pollos Hermanos Los Pollos Hermanos is just about 15 minutes up the road, and we're gonna go stop up there and get ourselves some chicken and then head on over to Phoenix for our delivery for tomorrow. So thank you all for watching this one here. Hope you all enjoyed it, and we will see you on the next one.